Hi, I'm Mark from L&M Small Engine. When we work on the Husqvarna chainsaw, it's a 562 XP. We're gonna replace the spool on the recoil, so hopefully you enjoy the video. Okay, the reason we're replacing the spool is one pin's bent over, the other one's broke off inside the plastic for the dog legs on the flywheel. So the first thing I'm gonna do is pull this rope out a little bit. Cut the rope off and gently let the spring loosen up so there's no tension on the spring. Get a pair of needle nose. Pull it out because we'll reuse the handle. And the center bolt's Allen wrench head. Just kind of hold this down because sometimes spring might pop out, but this one don't feel like it, but just kind of hold it down. Just kind of rock it back and forth so that spring pops out of the spool. And there you go. Okay, here's our new spool. Make sure it's the same thing. And this little indent right here, the little head of the springs right here, so there. Okay, so pop it back out. Get our new rope here. And we'll grab a lighter and kind of burn the ends so they don't fray out on you. Stick it through there. Make a knot. Okay. So that little head of the spring right there will go on this little indentation right here. A pain in the butt that first time I tried it too. Kind of gotta get it away from the center shaft a little bit. There we go. Okay. Make sure that's nice and tight. There's like a little slot. Right there you put your rope in. Go ahead and wind it up about 4 or 5 times. and hold on the end of the rope. We still have to wind it up a little bit more because we have like that much left over. Let's try that. We'll double knot this in. Well, I didn't want to. Get that close, that first one there. And there you go. So let's go ahead and put it on the saw. There's 4 bolts to hold this down. Okay. Alright, let's see if it starts it up. Push the primer. Put the choke on. And there you go. I hope this video helps you out. I really appreciate you watching. If you like my videos, please press the like button and please subscribe. And you guys have a good afternoon.